อรุณสวัสดีปองปนทั้งออกนี้สุขสบายเจตថ្ងៃនេះជាថ្ងៃច័ន្ទដែលថ្ងៃយើងតែងតែជួបគ្នានៅមេរៀនថ្មីដូច្នេះមេរៀនថ្ងៃនេះយើងនឹងសិក្សាអំពីទម្រង់បដិសេធឯកវចនៈនិងពហុវចនៈកិរិយាសព្ទ to be ដូច្នេះសូមអញ្ជើញបងប្អូនចូលរួមសិក្សាជាមួយខ្ញុំGood morning, everyone. How are you doing today? Today is Monday, the day that we meet each other every Monday to learn a new lesson. So, today's lesson is about the negative, isn't and aren't, which are verb to be as a negative. Let's go to the next page. តើយើងទៅទំព័របន្ទាប់ដើម្បីសិក្សាមេរៀនរបស់យើង isn't means is not. Second line, it is singular. Third line, aren't means are not. Fourth line, it is plural. Fifth line, exception. Sixth line, use aren't with you.Okay, today we learn about negative of verb to be. So, the word isn't is a contraction of is not. And the word aren't mean or the contraction of are not. And aren't used with you, there is an exception. It could be a singular.It could be a plural. So there is an exception for subject pronoun you that used with aren't. អូខេបងប្អូនពាក្យថា isn't ជាទម្រង់ខ្លីរបស់ is not ហើយវាជាឯកវចនៈ aren't វាជាទម្រង់ខ្លីរបស់ are not ហើយវាជាពហុវចនៈហើយក៏មានការលើកលែងផងដែរចំពោះ aren't ប្រើជាមួយSapanim, you. Okay? Let's go to the next page. Examples. The water isn't running. Number one, the water isn't running. So, water is uncountable noun and it is singular. So, when we use a singular, we use isn't. We do not use aren't. Okay, so the water isn't running. យើងប្រែថាទឹកមិនហូរទេកាលណាទឹកជាឯកវចនៈហើយវាជានាមដែលយើងពុំអាចរាប់បានដូច្នេះកាលណាឯកវចនៈយើងប្រើជាមួយ isn't យើងអត់ប្រើ aren't ទេ Okay, លេខ2 number 2 the story isn't finished.The story isn't finished. So the story is a singular, only one story. So we use isn't. We do not use aren't, okay? So because it is a singular, the story isn't finished. រឿងមិនត្រូវបានបញ្ចប់ទេហើយរឿងវាគ្រាន់តែរឿងតែមួយដូច្នេះកាលណាឯកវចនៈយើងប្រើ isn't មិនប្រើ aren't ទេដូច្នេះstory យើងប្រែថារឿង isn't finished មិនត្រូវបានបញ្ចប់ទេរឿងហ្នឹងគឺនៅមានបន្ត Okay, let's go to the next page. Number 3, my eyes aren't blue. My eyes aren't blue. Okay, eyes is more than one, so it is a plural. When it is a plural, we use aren't.Okay, my eye aren't blue. ភ្នែករបស់ខ្ញុំមិនមែនពណ៌ខៀវទេ blue នឹងប្រែថាពណ៌ខៀវ aren't នឹងថាមិនមែនទេ Okay. Number 4, the river isn't deep. The river isn't deep. Okay. The river is a singular countable noun.So when it is singular, we use isn't. We do not use aren't. Okay, បងប្អូនស្ទឹងមិនជ្រៅទេកាលណាស្ទឹងជាឯកវចនៈស្ទឹងតែមួយយើងប្រើ isn't យើងអត់ប្រើ aren't ទេដូច្នេះ the river យើងប្រែថាស្ទឹង isn't មិនទេ deep យើងប្រែថាជ្រៅ okay let's go to the next page number 5 the children's aren't there the children aren't here I'm sorry the children aren't here មានន័យថា children is a plural countable noun we use aren't for plural negative plural okay the children aren't here ក្មេងៗមិននៅទីនេះទេ children ហ្នឹងយើងប្រែថាក្មេងៗ aren't here មិននៅទីនេះទេ number 6 the show isn't over the show isn't over okay over is mean finished so isn't over មានន័យថាមិនទាន់ចប់ទេ it's not finished okay the show is not finished the show ខ្មែរយើងប្រែថាការសម្ដែងដូច្នេះការសម្ដែងដូចជាមានល្ខោនរបាំឬក៏បញ្ចាំង slide បញ្ចាំងផ្សេងៗចឹងទៅអានោះហើយជាការសម្ដែងមួយនៅលើឆាកយើងប្រែថាភាសាគេថា show ខ្មែរយើងថាការសម្ដែង okay the show isn't over that means the show is not finished it's still continue it's still playing okay the show is only a singular only one show so we use isn't okay we do not use aren't let's go to the next page number 7 these rooms aren't very big these rooms aren't very big so these are already plural and rooms we are put s at the end so that there is a plural so for the negative of plural we use aren't instead of isn't okay these rooms aren't very big បន្ទប់ទាំងនេះមិនធំណាស់ទេ very យើងប្រែថាណាស់ big យើងប្រែថាធំ aren't មិនទេដូច្នេះបន្ទប់ទាំងនេះមិនធំណាស់ទេ number 8 my dad isn't home my dad isn't home okay dad only one parent dad is the father so my father isn't home or my dad isn't home we use isn't because it is a singular we do not use aren't because only one dad one person we use a singular negative my dad isn't home ឪពុករបស់ខ្ញុំមិននៅផ្ទះទេ isn't នឹងមិននៅទេ home នឹងគឺផ្ទះ my dad នឹងឪពុករបស់ខ្ញុំ okay or you can say my father okay instead of my dad or my papa let's go to the next page number 9 George and Pat aren't invited George and Pat aren't invited George and Pat aren't invitedដូច្នេះ George and Pat there's two person it is a plural so for the negative plural we use aren't okay invited okay George និង Pat នឹងមិនត្រូវបានគេអញ្ជើញទេ invited បានអញ្ជើញ aren't មិនត្រូវបានទេ okay George ជាឈ្មោះបរិបរោះហើយស្រីនឹង Pat នឹងក៏ជាឈ្មោះបរិបរោះដែរដូច្នេះជាបរិបរោះទាំងពីរនឹងមិនត្រូវបានគេអញ្ជើញទេ number 10 the sun isn't shining the sun isn't shining okay so the sun only one object one planet it's a singular so the negative of this singular is isn't we do not use aren't because only one sun the sun isn't shining យើងប្រែថាព្រះអាទិត្យឥតរស្មី isn't ឥត cái đó ắt miền nâng sign này nâng cứ rẽ smay đứa chứ này bè tật ắt rẽ smay. Let's go to the next page. Number 11. The tires aren't flat. The tires aren't flat. Okay, tire như còn lán, aren't tires is more than one, so we use a plural, negative plural is aren't flat. Okay, the tires aren't flat. Conទាំងឡាយមិនធូរទេឬក៏មិនបែកទេបាទកង់វាមិនធូរthìវាមិនបែកទេដូច្នេះflat ហ្នឹងគឺធូរឬក៏យើងប្រែថាបែកក៏បានដែរ aren't យើងថាមិនទេ tire គឺកង់ដូចជាកង់ឡានកង់ម៉ូតូកង់ត្រាក់តរអីហ្នឹងយើងហៅថា tires. This is plural tires. Okay. Number 12. Janet isn't my sister. Janet isn't my sister. Okay, Janet is a girl. A female's name isn't. Janet is only one person, so the negative for Janet we use isn't my sister. Okay, Janet isn't my sister. Which name Janet នឹងមិនមែនជាបងប្អូនស្រីរបស់ខ្ញុំទេ Okay, isn't នឹងគឺប្រែថាមិនទេ my ជារបស់ខ្ញុំ sister នឹងគឺបងប្អូនស្រី and Janet នឹងជាឈ្មោះរបស់ female របស់ស្ត្រី Let's go to the next page. Number 13. My parents aren't there. My parents aren't there. Mean my dad and my mom are not there. Okay, aren't is the contraction of are not. So parents, when there is a s at the end, this mean two parents, mean two person, father and mother. Okay, my parents are not there, so the contraction of are not, it become aren't. Okay. Okay, លេខ13នេះយើងប្រែថាឪពុកម្ដាយរបស់ខ្ញុំមិននៅទីនោះទេ there ហ្នឹងគឺទីនោះ aren't ហ្នឹងគឺមិននៅទេ parents កាលណាមានអីចឹងគឺប្រែថាឪពុកម្ដាយ Okay, my ហ្នឹងគឺរបស់ខ្ញុំយើងទៅលេខ14 number 14 The boy isn't happy. The boy isn't happy. So the boy is a singular. So the negative for singular we use isn't. The boy isn't happy. Okay. យើងប្រែថាកុមារាមិនសប្បាយចិត្តទេ happy ហ្នឹងគឺសប្បាយចិត្ត isn't ហ្នឹងគឺប្រែថាមិនទេ The boy ហ្នឹងគឺកុមារា Let's go to the next page. Number 15. Your shoe aren't muddy. Your shoe aren't muddy. Okay. Muddy នឹងយើងប្រែថាប្រឡាក់ផុក aren't muddy គឺមិនប្រឡាក់ផុក shoes កាលណា shoe វាស្បែកជើងវាមានច្រើនជាងមួយយើងមាន s ពីខាងក្រៅដូច្នេះ negative សម្រាប់ shoe we use aren't. We don't use isn't because shoe is more than one. Your shoe aren't muddy. ស្បែកជើងរបស់អ្នកមិនប្រឡាក់ភក់ទេ Okay, ស្បែកជើងនឹង shoe របស់អ្នកនឹងគឺ your aren't នឹងគឺមិនទេ muddy នឹងគឺប្រឡាក់ភក់ Number 16. My teacher isn't going. My teacher isn't going. Okay, teacher only one person, so for the negative, singular negative for teacher, we're gonna use isn't. We don't use aren't. ដូច្នេះ is not going មិនកំពុងទៅទេតែភាសាយើងប្រើមិនកំពុងទៅទេនឹងវាឆ្គងដូច្នេះយើងប្រែថាគ្រូរបស់ខ្ញុំមិនទៅទេ Okay, isn't going ប្រែថាមិនទៅទេ my របស់ខ្ញុំ teacher នឹងគឺគ្រូ យើងមិនអាចថាលោកគ្រូឬក៏អ្នកគ្រូទេពីព្រោះយើងអត់ដឹងថាគ្រូនឹងជាស្រីឬក៏ប្រុសទេក្នុងប្រយោគនេះគឺគាត់ថាគ្រូរបស់ខ្ញុំមិនទៅទេអូខេយើងដូច្នេះយើងប្រែតាមពាក្យរបស់គេថាគ្រូ teacher ហ្នឹងវាមានគ្រូស្រីនិងគ្រូប្រុសកាលណាគ្រូរបស់យើងដឹងប្រុសហើយស្រីតែក្នុងប្រយោគនេះវាអត់បញ្ជាក់ដូច្នេះយើងប្រែថាគ្រូរបស់ខ្ញុំមិនទៅទេនោះជាសំហេតុសំផលហើយ Let's go to the next page 17 It isn't funny It isn't funny so isn't is the contraction of is not so it is a third person singular so the negative for it we use isn't excuse me it isn't funny យើងប្រែថាវាមិនមែនជារឿងសើចសប្បាយទេ okay it is not it isn't okay the contraction of is not is isn't it isn't funny វាមិនមែនជារឿងសើចសប្បាយទេ number 18 you aren't livingយើងប្រែថាអ្នកមិនចេញទេអ្នកមិនចេញទៅទេអ្នកមិនទាន់ចេញទៅទេយើងមិនអាចប្រើយើងមិនបាច់ប្រើឲ្យអ្នកមិនកំពុងចាកចេញទៅទេវាឆ្កងដូច្នេះយើងក៏នឹងប្រែថាអ្នកមិនចេញទេមិនចេញទៅទេថែមទៅមួយផងបងប្អូនដូច្នេះ you នឹងវាជាឯកវចនៈតែយើងប្រើ aren't វាមានការលើកលែងនៅក្នុងមេរៀនហ្នឹងគឺថា you នឹងជាឯកវចនៈវាប្រើជាមួយនឹងកិរិយាសព្ទពហុវចនៈតែគេលើកលែងវាយើងប្រែថាមនុស្សតែម្នាក់ទេ you aren't living អ្នកមិនទាន់ចាកចេញទៅទេហ្នឹងមានន័យថាមនុស្សតែម្នាក់ទេក្នុងប្រយោគហ្នឹង Okay let's go to the next page Okay our lesson finished so next week we'll learn about was and were ដូច្នេះមេរៀនយើងចប់ហើយសប្តាហ៍ក្រោយយើងនឹងសិក្សាម្ដងទៀតអំពីកិរិយាសព្ទ to be ជាអតីតកាលគឺ was ហើយនឹង were you have a great day everyone we will see each other again next week and we will learn about the past tense of verb to be okay សប្តាហ៍ក្រោយយើងនឹងសិក្សាជុំគ្រាសាជាថ្មីម្ដងទៀតគឺកិរិយាសព្ទ to be ជាអតីតកាលបាទជាអតីតកាលដូច្នេះហើយខ្ញុំនឹងជួបបងប្អូននៅថ្ងៃច័ន្ទសប្តាហ៍ក្រោយសូមសុខសប្បាយទាំងអស់គ្នាជម្រាបលា